The shark stand is a fast and easy-to-install post that fastens to concrete or plywood and supports leading-edge protection fencing and guardrails. To install the shark stand, place the shark stand with the side opposite the C-shaped nailing bar, a minimum of 1 inch from the leading edge. If you are installing on a plywood surface, hammer 2 nails fully into the holes at the back of the shark stand. Hammer 6 nails into the C-shaped nailing bar at front. Review the installation manual for detailed nailing instructions. If you are installing on a concrete slab, drill and attach the appropriate anchors into the concrete slab. Review the installation manual for required anchor types and applications. Once the shark stands are installed, you can proceed with placing your speed fence or temporary guardrails.